Hey, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on Ulefone Armor X12. So first flip your phone like that, and in here is the microphone. You can clean it with the soft brush or compressed air, just non-metallic tools. Then go into the voice recorder, sound recorder, anything that you have, and hello, as you can see it's working. Just test. Now we can go into the settings, type in the microphone access, and enable the microphone access. Back to the sounds and vibration, scroll down to advanced, sound enhancement, and as you can see there isn't any noise suppression settings, so we don't have anything to disable, but if you have it, then disable the noise suppression. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, go into the settings, scroll down to sounds and vibration, and make sure that all of your volumes are on the maximum level. So now scroll down once again, and do not disturb mode, make sure that it is disabled. Then flip your phone right here, and here is the speaker. Just clean it with a soft brush or Q-tip, compressed air, something like that. Just don't use any metallic tools. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix pattern lock not recognized on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, we're gonna go into the safe mode. So first, click and hold the power on button, and now click and hold power off. You will see the pop-up to reboot to safe mode. Click OK. Now while it's restarting, I'll tell you that we're going to attempt putting the pattern in a safe mode to bypass the possible glitches that might occur in normal mode. So the phone is restarting. It should take just a couple of seconds. And it is nearly done. Okay, as you can see in the bottom left corner, we are in the safe mode. So now just try to unlock your phone. If it's still not working, then power off your phone completely. And now click the power on button and simultaneously the volume up button. Okay, and now we're in the recovery mode. So first click with volume up button to recovery mode and volume down. We will go into the recovery mode to perform a factory reset. Be aware that this would wipe out all of your data on the phone. So if you don't want it, then you should probably contact brand support for further assistance. Now with volume down, go into Wipe Data Factory Reset and click Power On button. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all camera features on Ulefone Armor X12. Okay, so let's launch the camera and I'll show you all things that we have on this device. So let me only adjust the brightness. Okay, now I think it will be fine. So when we are in the standard photo mode, of course we can, when we tap, we can get some focus, and when we manually slide down or up, we can change the exposure level. When it comes to the zoom, maximum level is 4, minimum is 1. Pretty simple. And on the top left corner we can change the flashlight. Currently it's set on the automatic. We can completely turn it off or enable it. In the middle we have the HDR. Currently it's off. We also have the automatic mode, or we can set it to be fully enabled. Okay, when it comes to the video, we also have 4x zoom as a maximum. Next thing is the portrait mode. In here, when you click on that icon, we can change the aperture level. As you click on the more, we have the Pro mode, Beauty, Time-lapse, Intelligent Scanning, and also the Filter mode. So let's begin with the Pro mode first. In here, we can adjust things such as white balance, ISO, EV, saturation, and also the MF. MF stands for macro focus. In here we can see how the lighting is changing because of the saturation. In here we have the EV. Next to it we have the ISO. Currently I cannot even change it, I don't know why. Okay, here it is. This camera doesn't work in the best way. I'm in the menu, but we have to somehow manage it. When it comes to the ISO, to change it we need to click on 400, 800, 200 to change, or 100. We have those 4 modes. And here we have the white balance. We can change the lighting mode. And you can see the differences, I hope so, on the screen right now. Okay. Next thing is the beauty mode. When you click on that icon, you can enable the auto beauty. You can manually select the values. You can make the photo smoother, for example. You can also change the slimming, the widening, or enable the eye enlarger. We also have the time-lapse, also the intelligent scanning. Thanks to that we can quickly scan the QR codes on our device. Okay, and when you are in the photo mode, you can enable the settings right in here. You can change also the picture size, enable the information about the location. You can enable it right in here. Simply click on while using the app. You can enable or disable the brand watermark, mute the camera, enable the touch shooting, which means that when I'll tap on this anywhere on the screen, the photo will be automatically taken. Just like that. And you can see that photo is being taken. So I don't need to click on the shutter button. The only thing that I need to do when this mode is on is to tap anywhere on the screen and the photo will be taken. Also we have the self timer. We have 3 seconds before the photo will be taken. Just like that, simple timer. Also, we can enable the grid lines. Thanks to them, we can position our camera better, and we can position our phone in the best way to take the best picture. So let's say I want this plant to be in the middle. So thanks to the grid lines, now I know that it's exactly in the middle, and now I can take the photo. Also, we have the volume key feature. When we click on one of the volume buttons, we can change the volume. When it's on the shutter, we can simply take a photo, just like that. Okay, as you can see, I have clicked volume down and the photo has been taken. And also we have the anti-flicker, which helps with better positioning of your device, and it will not bounce that much. So because sometimes when you are holding a phone, you are flickering a little, and so because of that, the photo might be in bad quality, it might be blurred, but with the auto flicker, it should be better. When you click on the custom, you can change the function layout and add one of these into more items. When you have more modes, you can select the more panel. And now to access the more panel, you need to slide this thin bar to the upside to open it up, just like that. You can also select the the layout of your camera app. To change, click on apply. You can see that in here the color has changed. And also you can change the camera sound, texture, literature, and art, film, or vitality. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to take better photos on the Ulefone Armor X12. Okay, so let's launch the camera app. And when we are here to take the better photos, we need to remember about enabling the HDR. It's right in here. Open up the photo mode. You can select the automatic or simply the HDR on the right side. I suggest you should use the option on the right. Also, when you are taking a photo, you shouldn't be using the digital zoom. Because of that, because if higher the zoom level, the photo quality will be worse. So sometimes it's better to move up closer physically to the object that you want to take a photo of, instead of using the digital zoom. So simply zoom with your feet, move closer to the object and take a photo on the 1x zoom. The quality will be simply the best. Also, a good thing is using the Pro mode. Open up more and click on the Pro mode. In here we can change things such as white balance, ISO, EV, saturation, and the MF. MF stands for the macro focus. To change those things, you can of course set them on automatic, or you can manually change them. In here we have the saturation. You have different levels. So this shows the camera's sensitivity to light. As we go to the right side, the photo gets brighter. When you go to lower values, it gets simply darker. In here we have the EV, which also we can change. Same thing with the ISO. We have 4 values that we can change, and also the white balance. We can change the colors, how they will look like. We have 4 different modes. Simply pick the one that you want to use on your photo. So I'll leave it to you to play with the Pro mode. I'm sure that you will find the proper settings for your wants. Also, when you open up the normal photo mode, we can click on the settings button. It's also good to enable the gridded lines. Okay, just like that. And thanks to that, we can position our camera better before we take a photo. So for example, I have this plant in here with me, and let's say I want to take a picture of it, and I want it to be exactly in the center of the photo. So thanks to the grid lines, in here we have, the middle, and I can perfectly place my camera to take the best photo. So thanks to the grid lines, I can position the objects pretty well and better. It's simply easier when the grid lines are enabled. It's easier simply to position the things and position the camera to take the best picture. And also it's worth enabling the anti-flicker. Thanks to that, when our hands are shaking a little, there shouldn't be that blur effect. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Ulefone Armor X12 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's begin with opening your dialer and start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and another code, actually similar to the previous one, *#07#. And thanks to it, we can open the regulatory labels so we can check the head and the body of our device. Tap on OK, and another code for the calendar info, it is *##225#*##. And here we are in the calendar info, so we can check the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. Unfortunately, you cannot enter specific categories, but you can see and check the overall number of the events. Another code is *##426 ###. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. You can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3-dot icon, you can show advanced view. Just tap on it and go to the status again. Tap on the status. And here we've got much more information. So for example, you can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and the last code, which is *##4636 ###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check, for example, the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So for example, in Wi-Fi info, we can check the status and we can refresh the stats, and here we can check the info just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let's go back, and in usage statistics, usually we should have the list of all apps which are currently on this device, and for some reason it doesn't work in many models, not only in this one, so I do not recommend entering the usage statistics. And phone information, where you can check the email number again, the car network, data service, voice service, signal strength. And basically you will be able to check those details if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why we cannot check it. Here you can also run ping test. Just tap on it, and here you've got the results for the host name. And after tapping on the 3-dot icon, you can, for example, view SIM address book or enable data connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.
Hello, in this video I'm going to show the speed up tricks on the Ulefone Armor X12. Okay, so maybe let's begin with the developer options and a few things that we can change in them to gain some speed and performance. To get access into the developer settings, we need to open up our normal settings first. When we are here, we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find About Phone. Now, find the version, and in here we have our build number. We need to tap on it a few times. Now I also need to draw my lock screen to confirm, and we can see on the bottom that we are now a developer. Now let's go back from here. Click on the system, and in here we have our developer options. Now we need to scroll down a little until we find 4 specific options that we can change. So let's keep scrolling. Here are the first 3: animation duration scale, transition animation scale, and the window animation scale. Currently I even see that they are not set on 1x just like on any other device, because there's a chance that defaultly and in most devices it will be set on 1x. But to gain some free speed, you can set it on off or on 0.5, all 3 options. You could see that they were defaultly on the 0.5. For me, this mode is like a perfect balance between 1x and completely turned off animations. Because we will still have them, they will be a little different, but they will be still enabled. So for me, 0.5 is like a perfect balance, so I'll pick each of those 3 options on 0.5. Now let's scroll down a little, let's find the apps, and in here we have the background process limit. Currently it's set on the standard, but we can select it on at most 4 or at most 3 for the best performance of our device. Oh, in here actually it doesn't want to change, maybe it's a lag. So select it on that mode. Okay, now we can close the developer options. Now the next thing is simply uninstalling the apps that you are not currently using. For now, in my case, I don't have any of the apps that I can uninstall. Maybe it will be the YouTube. We can click on the app info. No, it's the system app, so it's not available. But if you have the apps that you have downloaded manually from the Play Store and the apps that you are not using, simply uninstall them to get some free storage space, and thanks to that your device might work a little bit faster. In some apps there's a chance to clear the cache. It won't be available in all of them. For example, I have picked the YouTube, and in here we can see that I have 1.5 megabyte of the cache, and to gain some free speed we can simply click on clear. Don't worry, that doesn't erase your data, but remember not to click by mistake on clear storage. Be aware of that. Don't click on clear storage because you'll delete your data in that app. Okay, next thing is the cleaning center, cleaning assistant. Now we can click on clear now, click on allow, basically allow for everything. Click on clear. In here we can select the things that we can clear. We have cache garbage. You can click on clear. 38 megabytes now will be freed. Alright. We can also optimize for acceleration. Click on accelerate. Okay. Optimization completed. It's also worth doing. And that's all that we had to do in the cleaning assistant. Also, if you want, you can download some third-party cleaning apps from the Play Store. You can simply type cleaning or cleaner, and you will have a whole list of apps that can help with deleting the junk files from your device. But remember that before downloading such an app, read the reviews and check the ratings of the app before you download it. Okay, now, as a last thing that I'm going to show you is a simple reboot of your device. Because during that process the RAM gets freed up. We can also say that the phone rests during the reboot. So to perform it, simply hold the power button, click on the restart, and now within a second the device will be automatically turned on again and it will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the top tricks on the Ulefone Armor X12. Okay, so let's open up the settings. Once we are here, let's scroll down until we find the special function. First thing is a possibility to expand the RAM. Thanks to that we can gain some RAM space. We can click on set virtual RAM. Minimum value is 1 GB, maximum is 3. To activate it, click on activate and restart. In my case, I don't need to do it because it's already turned on, and you can see that we have 3 plus 3 GB. In here you can do it. Thanks to that, your system might work smoother. Next cool thing is the 3-finger screenshot, because in most devices the easiest way, I mean the basic way to create a screenshot is by clicking the power button and volume down button, just like that. In here it's also the same, but now we have enabled the 3-finger screenshot, and now all we need to do is to create a screenshot is with slide 3 fingers on the screen, just like that. Really cool way, really fast, and also looks pretty cool. So simply slide 3 fingers on your screen and the screenshot has been automatically taken. Okay, back into the settings. Next thing is the sensor calibration. We have the proximity sensor calibration. We can click on confirm. Okay, calibration completed, and we have also the horizontal calibration. And in here we can also calibrate it. Okay, everything went fine. We can go back. Next thing is a shortcut about opening the camera. To quickly open camera, press the power button twice from any, works from any screen. We can enable it, and it works like a shortcut. So for example, when we are surfing the internet, we can quickly double tap and double click the power button, just like that. I'll show you. Boom. And the camera app launches immediately, and we can start taking the photos. Works pretty nice. Now, for example, I'll open up the Chrome, just the thing that I was just talking about. As you can see, we are using the Chrome. Double tap, boom, the camera launches really fast. So it's like a cool shortcut. We don't need to, close the Chrome, look for the camera. We can quickly double tap the power button, and we have access into our camera. All right, back into the settings once again. Next thing is the gloves mode. Use the switch to switch between gloves mode, enable and disable. So thanks to that, we'll be able to use our device even when we are in gloves. Okay. Also, another thing, double tap to wake. Pretty cool thing. For example, when the phone is laying on a flat surface and when you want to see do we have some notifications, simply double tap and we can see incoming and we can see the notifications that came to us. I'll show you again. Double tap when the screen is off and it wakes. Okay. My bet, one more thing. And we have also the custom key that is right in here. That's that button. And we can give him a special function. We can set a shortcut. So let's select for the single click first. We have the easy shuttle and we can also open up the applications. So currently it's on the none. In here we have the all options. We can start the recording. We can open the flashlight. We can take a screenshot, open underwater camera, because we have that on that phone. We can open SOS and open Zillow, but first it requires installing it. So maybe let's begin with opening the flashlight. Let's try how it works for the single click. So let's click, and the flashlight actually launched. Now click, it gets turned off. It is really cool, for example, when you are working with something and you need a source of light. So quickly you take your phone out of your pocket, you just click that yellow button and the flashlight launches immediately. Really, really cool. Because sometimes we need to open up the notification bar, and in here we can also open up the flashlight. But for me, this is more comfortable. Simple click and the camera launches. For me, really cool thing. Back into the settings. So that was the single click. We can also open the application thanks to that mode. So let's maybe select the YouTube. And let's try how it works. Boom. and the YouTube actually launched. So this key is really cool for creating shortcuts. For me, that's like one of the best features that we have on this device. This quick function button is really cool. Okay, now let's select, actually we need to go back into the settings. Let's select the action for the double click. Oh, not that, my bad. Custom key. And now double click. For example, let it be screenshot. I double tapped. And also the screenshot has been taken. Also really comfortable way for taking screenshots. I'll show you again. Boom. Really easy and comfortable. And the last thing is the long press. It opens up the Zillow, but first it needs downloading, so maybe let's try with something else. Maybe let's launch the underwater camera by it. So let's hold. Click on. Okay. And now the underwater camera launched. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the hidden sound settings on the Ulefone Armor X12. Okay, so we need to open up the settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down a little until we find sound and vibration. Scroll down again. In here we have the vibration and haptics. In here we have a list of things that we can enable or disable. So for example, when we have the interactive haptics, we can enable or disable the touch feedback. Same thing with the media vibration, alarm vibration, notification vibration, and the other things on the top. Also, when you click on the advanced, you can enable the do not disturb mode. In that mode you won't get notifications by the phone. They won't pop out, and there will not be that annoying sound of the notification sometimes. You can set the schedules in here, select the apps, select the people who can interrupt, do not disturb. You can set everything for yourself right in here in this mode. You can also enable or disable the alpha tones, screen locking sounds, charging sounds and vibration, and also the touch sounds. When you click on the sound enchantment, you can also enable the BES loudness. It boosts the volume. It boosts the volume for the speaker. Yeah, my bad. As we go back, and when we go to the downside into special function and accessibility, and now we can enable the audio description. It hears a description of what's happening on the screen and supported movies and shows. Also, you can enable the audio adjustment. You can enable or disable the mono audio, so it combines channels when playing audio, and you can also change the audio balance into right side or into the left side, right in here. We can also enable the captions. If you want, they will appear on the screen. You can click on more options and select the language. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix phone heating while charging on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, it is totally normal for your phone to heat while you're charging it, especially when you're using the fast charging, but we can minimize that. First, close all the background apps. Then use the original cable and the charger. Charge in a cool and ventilated area, and don't use your phone while you're charging it. Just leave it on a nightstand and let it charge properly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, open the quick settings by swiping 2 times from the top and here adjust the brightness. Then go into the settings, display, and you can enable the adaptive brightness, but I'll do it manually because it's too bright for the camera. Then go into the Play Store, click search and type in screen dimmer and download the app. Now open it, enable the screen dimmer, agree to using accessibility services, allow, and here we need to find and tap on the screen dimmer app and enable the switch. So go into the settings, scroll down to special functions, accessibility, screen dimmer, and enable. Allow, and that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix pin not accepted on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, click and hold the power on button and restart your phone. That may help with the glitches that may occur on your phone while typing in the pin. So I'll be back with you when the phone is restarted. Now try your pin once again. And as you can see, it works for me, but if it's still not working for you, then click and hold. Now click and hold the power off, and the pop-up to reboot to safe mode will appear. Click OK. And now wait for your phone to restart once again. And your phone should be in the safe mode. You can see it in the bottom left corner. And now try to put in your PIN. Once again, it will help to bypass all the glitches that may appear in the normal mode. If it's still not working, then power off your phone and we will go into the recovery mode to perform a factory reset. This will wipe out all of your data on the phone. So if you can't afford that, then visit Brown Service Center with proof or of purchase your phone. Now, power on button and volume down button at the same time. Let go of the power on button, just the volume down. Okay, I needed to do it one more time because I missed it. And now we're in the boot menu. So with volume up, go to the recovery mode and volume down to select. Now wait for the recovery mode to open. And now with volume down, go to wipe data factory reset and click the power on button. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on Ulefone Armor X12. So first things first, check the volume during a call. You can with the side buttons volume up and volume down, but during a call. Next, go into the settings, here navigate to sounds and vibration and call volume. Just adjust the volume. Next, disable Bluetooth to rule out connected device. You can do that by scrolling from the top to quick settings and clicking on the Bluetooth. As you can see, I have it disabled. Next, test with another call and app like a WhatsApp or just call to other person. And restart your phone. Click and hold the power on button and restart right here. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, enable the auto rotation in the quick settings. Just scroll 2 times from the top and enable auto rotate. Then go into random app just to test. As you can see, it is working. But if it's not working for you, then try to restart the phone. Just click restart. Or go into the safe mode, clicking and holding the power off button and OK to reboot to safe mode. Next, you can go into the settings and search for update, system updates and check for updates. Now, as you can see, your device software is currently up to date, but if you have any updates, then download it. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, check the volume level. You can do that by just adjusting the volume with the buttons or going into the settings, then sounds and vibration, and here you have all the volume. Next, flip your phone like that and clean here the speaker with a soft brush or compressed air. Don't use any metallic tools. Next thing is to disable the Bluetooth because the audio might be routed. And last thing, click and hold the power on button and then click and hold the power off button to reboot to safe mode and click OK. Now the phone is restarted and first unlock it and now test your audio with a music or something like that, cause in a safe mode we can rule out the app interference. To exit the safe mode, just simply restart your phone. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, remove the screen protector or case on your phone. I don't have any of them. Next, take a microfiber and clean your screen. Just wipe it from any dust. Next thing is to force restart on your phone. So click and hold the power on button till it powers off. Now the phone is restarted. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. But if it's still not working for you, then you probably need to go into like the brand service center and they will help you. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, go into the Wi-Fi settings, click the arrow next to your Wi-Fi, and click disconnect and then forget. Now, try to type in the password and connect once again. Now, if it's still not working, then try to restart the router and your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.
Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the security tricks on the Ulefone Armor X12. Okay, so let's begin. First let's open up the settings, scroll down, and let's begin with the setting up the lock screen, because that's the key of our security level. So select the password right in here, click on the screen lock, and we have 3 modes that we can use. It can be pattern, pin, or the password. I'll show you an example of the pattern. As you can see, we have those 9 dots, and to create a pattern we need to connect at least 4 of them. So create a pattern. If you want to try again, click on clear. If you want to save, click next. Now redraw your pattern. To save it, click on confirm, and now it has been successfully set. Now let me show you how it works. So let's turn off the screen, and now slide to the upside, and now we need to draw our pattern to unlock our device. Everything works just fine. Now let's go back into the settings. We can go back. Also, it's good from time to time to click on Google Play Protect to see if do we have some harmful apps. We can also manually click on to perform the scan to see if there's something to do. Okay, it's still going, so we need to wait until it's finished. Okay, no harmful apps found. Good to hear. No more thing that we need to do. Okay, let's close it up, back into the settings. Also, we can enable Find My Device. It is a really useful feature. Make sure it's enabled. And thanks to that, for example, when someone will steal our device, we will be able to remotely find it using the app. We can also remotely secure the lock screen. I mean, we can turn the screen off. And the next thing that the thief will have to do is to guess our screen lock, or we can even remotely secure, factory reset our device. To do it, we need to click on Find My Device web. We need to do it on another device, of course, if that one will be stolen. And now we need to wait. We need to click on continue, and also we need to be logged into the same Google account on which we are logged in on our Armor. So it is really important to know about it. Click on continue. Okay, I can click allow, and in here we have our Ulefone Armor. And when you click on that, you can secure device remotely, just like I was talking about. So Ulefone Armor will be locked with its PIN, pattern, or password. If device doesn't have a screen lock, you can set one. You'll be signed out of Google account on the device. After the device is secured, you can still locate it. Payment cards will be removed from your Google Wallet. Then simply click on continue, and then you will need to sign into your Google account to secure your device. And the next thing, just like I was talking, is factory reset. We can do this remotely. All data will be erased permanently from Ulefone Armor X12. So that's how this feature works. Also, if you want to locate your device, it needs to have the location turned on. Okay, now next thing is the security update that we can perform, actually to check if there's something to download, but currently it doesn't want to even pop out. So maybe let's go to Google Play. System update, if it's available, just like in my case, simply click on download and install. I won't do it right now because I have other things to show you. Oh, something locked in. Okay, now the security update wants to open. In my case, everything is up to date, so I don't need to download anything. If you have the possibility, you can download it. Okay. Now the Google Play system update, just like I was talking about. To download, simply click this button. Okay. We also have the more security settings in here. We have the smart lock. First we need to draw the pattern. Click on got it. In here we can read how it works. So the smart lock can recognize when your device is being carried, you're near home or any trusted places, your watch or another trusted device is nearby. So the smart lock keeps this device unlocked when it's with you. Sometimes it can turn against you, this mode, because let's say that you are near home or any other trusted places, and in that place, for example, near your home on the street, you will get robbed and someone will steal your device. It will be unlocked, so that's pretty bad. So you're doing it on your own. For me, it's not like a game changer, so I won't do it. Also, we have the Android safe browsing, also pretty cool, and it will simply give us the notifications when we are using on the internet. It will alert us about potential threats. But if you want to use it, you need to have supported apps. In my case, there was no any. I don't know why. Okay, also, if you want, you can always download some third-party apps that can look for viruses and keep them out of your device. An example of the app is, for example, the Avast. That's the antivirus app. You can download it from the Play Store. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.
Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on Ulefone Armor X12. So first things first, go into Desk Settings, then Display, and Adaptive Brightness disable and enable once again. I need to disable it because you won't see anything because of the bright screen. Next thing is to clean ambient light sensor. It is near the front camera, so just clean this place right here. Okay. You can restart your phone. Click restart. Remember that you can check if it's working by just turning the brightness all the way up, disabling the auto brightness, then turning off all the light and clicking adaptive brightness. And now, as you can see, it lowered the brightness. So, last thing you can do is update your phone. Type in update, system update. Check for updates. Now, your device software is currently up to date, but if yours isn't, then just update it. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, go into the settings, scroll down to the battery and enable the battery saver. You can also do it in the quick settings. While we're in the quick settings, disable everything that you're not currently using. So the internet, Bluetooth, a flashlight, location, or quick share. And you can even enable the airplane mode if you need more battery. Then go into the display settings and enable the dark theme, lower the brightness, or even enable the adaptive brightness. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on Ulefone Armor X12. Go into the settings, then search for the battery that should be right here, and battery percentage enable. And as you can see in the top right corner, now it is fixed. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, go into the quick settings and disable Bluetooth and enable it again. Then go into the Bluetooth settings, click on the gear next to your connected device, and click Forget and forget this device. Now, click Pair New Device, click on your device and wait for it to connect. Yes, pair. And now, if it's still not working, then try to restart your phone and the Bluetooth device and update the software. So go into the settings, search, update, system updates, and check for updates. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, check your cable if it's not broken in any way. As you can see, it is not. So now, flip your phone right here, open the charging port if you have the case like me, and clean the charging port with something non-metallic. So the Q-tips or wooden sticks will do. Then try to test with another fast charger on your phone, or you can test this charger with another phone. If it's still not working, then go into the settings, search for update, system updates once again, and check for updates. If you have anything, then download it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, after too many failed attempts, you can enter the Google credentials. If you can't do it, then we can enter the recovery mode. So first, restart your phone, more like power it off. Remember that after the factory reset, all your data will be lost. and wiped out. So if you can't afford that, then just it's better to visit authorized service center with a proof of ownership of your phone, or contact the brand support for account recovery options. Wait for your phone to fully power off, and now click the power on button and volume up button at the same time and hold it. And now, as you can see, we're in the recovery mode. So now with volume up, go to the recovery mode, and volume down to select. It is opening the recovery mode right now. And in here, click the volume down button to go into wipe data and factory reset, and now select with power on button. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, remove the screen protector and case on your phone. I don't have any of them. So next thing is to take a microfiber and just clean the screen. Wipe it off. Okay. Now you can just go into the settings, type in update, system updates, system update, and check for updates. Don't allow. Your device software is currently up to date, but if you have some updates, then just update it. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on Ulefone Armor X12. So first, make sure that your headphones aren't broken in any way, just check them. Next thing you can do is restart your phone by clicking and holding the power on button and restart. Next, at the top of your phone, there is a flip here. Let me open it. With a headphone jack, just clean the headphone jack with non-metallic tools like the soft brush, Q-tips, or compressed air. Next thing you can do is just try another pair of headphones. If you're using the Bluetooth headphones, make sure to restart the Bluetooth headphones as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one. Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to improve battery life on Ulefone Armor X12. First, go into the settings and then display. Scroll down to screensaver and disable it. Now go into the screen timeout and shorten this time, for example to 1 minute or even 30 seconds. Then go back and search for sounds and vibration and haptics, and disable use vibration and haptics, especially the touch feedback. And now go into the display mode once again and enable the dark theme. That's it, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one. Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to do an FRP bypass with removing the screen lock as well on your Ulefone Armor X12. So if you have a screen lock on your phone and you don't know what is it, then you will need to do a hard reset to get rid of that screen lock. But later on it'll get a bit more difficult, because once you get rid of the screen lock, your phone is locked with an FRP, factory reset protection, that will require you to enter the credentials for the Google account that was previously logged in on the phone before it was reset. And if you don't know that as well, then you'll need to do the FRP bypass. Fortunately, with our video, you will be able to do everything step by step, and everything will be quite easy to do. And also, what is important here is that this method works for August of 2025. I hope that it'll work in the future. I don't know for how long, but it should work as long as it can. I really hope it'll work just forever. And it works with the newest January 2025 Android patch. So in 2025 it basically works. It's 25th of August and it works. It's been tested by us multiple times. Now let's begin. First we'll need to get rid of the screen lock. This is the easiest part and the quickest one. Just, if you don't know the screen lock, turn the phone off by pressing and holding on the power button, then click on power off and wait a moment until the phone shuts down. Now, by the way, if you're wondering, I have a cable plugged in, but only for charging. It is not necessary. You can have your phone unplugged as long as it has enough power. The cable will be needed though. I actually should unplug the phone now, but because it's gonna turn itself on automatically, so yeah, I'm gonna wait and turn it off again. But yeah, the cable will be needed later, as well as a computer. On the left side of your screen you probably can see our website, and that's because we'll be needing it later, but we'll actually start using it when okay, I think the phone is off. We'll start using it when we get rid of the screen lock. So now let's press and hold. We're gonna do it like that. Volume up and power button at the same time until the phone vibrates or shows the logo on the screen. When it shows the logo or vibrates, release the power button, but keep on pressing the volume up. So let's do it. Both volume up and power button. Now I'm releasing the power and it shows this little screen. I don't know how well you can see it, but you need to click on only the volume button. The volume button is for changing, but make sure you don't click on the volume down because it's gonna mess up the whole thing. So click on volume up until you're selecting the first option at the top, which says recovery mode. Then click on volume down to approve. It's very weird. Typically, like, approving is with power button, but okay, never mind. Let's just wait until it goes into Android recovery. Now we can actually use the volume down button to find wipe data factory reset on our list and click on the power button to approve. Go down to factory data reset and power button to approve. Now let's wait a moment and select reboot system now. Now the phone's gonna restart and the screen lock will be gone. So now let's wait. During that process, we can already start searching for the drivers on our website, because this process will take quite a long time. After a reset, it's normal for the phone to start pretty long. So yeah, we should search in the search bar of our website. If there's like any ad, just close it and reopen it. We're sharing it for free, so that's why there's ads. Let's type in Ulefone X12, click on search, then select Ulefone Armor X12. Now there's an ad, I'm gonna close it. Select bypass Google verification, and now universal MTK drivers at first. Let's go to that, then click on download. There's something going on, let's close it, but yeah, it didn't download. Let's try again. It's verifying that I'm a human. I'm gonna confirm it, and you can see I have the file, so that's great. Now we can go back. Let's go back. Okay, so we have the file. Let's go through that first. Go to File Explorer on your computer, go to Downloads, and you can see it is a 7-zip file. So in order to unpack it, I would recommend getting a program if you don't have it. So if you have it, if you have WinRAR, then the icon is gonna look like this. You can see like these 3 books, right? If you don't have it, then the icon is probably gonna be just white blank sheet of paper, something like that. So if you don't have it, go to winrar.com and download the program, then install it here, and that is used to unpack archives. So right click on it now, click on WinRAR and extract to. And it's gonna extract it to a folder. Let's open it, and now select the bat file, the MTK Auto OS version. Then I'm gonna click on run, and let's see what it does. And now it's important that you remember whether it says x64 or x86 here. In most cases it's gonna be x64. Now I already have the program, so I don't have any, like I can't install it, so I'm just gonna cancel that. But you should go through the installation and know that your computer is either x64 or x86. Now it is installed. You should restart your computer. I don't need to do it because I already have the driver installed, but after installing it, you should restart your computer. Now we're gonna get to the phone, and then we're gonna download the other tool. So the phone is already started. Make sure to select English language, even if your local language is different. You can set your local language later after you do the whole process. Just we've been testing it only on English language, and that's what we can assure works. And that's what I always say in videos about FRP bypasses. It's just the most expected. Now I'm gonna skip the mobile connection, and now you need to connect to a Wi-Fi network, because you cannot skip it, because there's this little lock in the top left corner which indicates that you have an FRP lock. If you don't have an FRP lock, if it doesn't show this lock in the top left corner, then probably you are able to skip the whole process altogether because you've gotten rid of everything. But it's only in cases where the phone that didn't have a Google account logged in earlier. In most cases it had. So let's select a Wi-Fi network. Let's enter its password and click on connect. Now it's gonna start loading, and it's gonna take a really long time. So in that process we can get the MediaTek FRP bypass tool. Before we do that, on your computer go to Windows Security, and we will need to disable the virus and threat protection. It's not because the program has a virus in it, it's just that Windows gets sort of shocked when it sees a program that is gonna interact directly with the phone that we're gonna plug in. So, you know, it sees some potential harm in it, even though we can assure you there's not any. So you should go to virus and threat protection, then turn it off here. You can see I have turn on button. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, I can't even turn it on for some reason. Yeah. Yeah, now I could. Let's go into that. Let's manage the settings. And yeah, I'm just gonna disable everything here within manage protection on virus and threat protection, right? Just for a moment. After we finish the whole process, feel free to re-enable it. It's just about fine. Just we need it to be able to run the program. After we finish the FRP bypass, you can re-enable it. By the way, you can see it couldn't connect on my screen, so I'm just gonna select a different network or try again, because it sometimes happens on older phones. It's normal. Now let's, oh, I've clicked on something. Let's select the MediaTek FRP bypass tool. Let's download it. Now, if this thing shows up, don't download it here. It's just an ad. Close it. Try again until it automatically starts downloading the file. That's how it should be downloaded. I'm gonna go back to the folder, right click on it, and WinRAR extract to, and let's wait a moment. It will take a moment. Yeah, and now we have the folder. Let's go into that, and now we should be able to open the program. Although sometimes your Windows will show you a notification that a threat was detected, so you can click on that notification or just go to the Windows Security, Virus and Threats, and find there will be a threat like shown. You can just click on Allow just for a moment. You can see I had this one. I just clicked on Allow. And yeah, later you can disallow it. Once you can uninstall the whole program, you can do whatever, put it in trash. You just need it for this process, otherwise it won't work. If you're really scared about viruses, then you may want to do it on some old computer that you don't care about, that is not connected to internet. I mean, you can download the files, then disconnect from the internet, and then you should be safe. Yeah, if you're really worried about that, but as I said, I'm assuring you that it worked. That is fine, because I'm doing it on my little, it's been tested by us, and we're doing it on our work devices that we really don't want to get virused. So yeah, we care about that, and we do know that it's safe. Now we can see copy apps and data after several minutes, so let's click on done copy on the phone. And now it's the screen with verifying pattern. Just click on use my Google account instead. And yeah, we just need to get to the point where it loads it into the system, the information that there is a Google account, and now we can turn the phone off. Let's press and hold on the power button, power off, and now let's go to our MediaTek Universal Tools. Now it shows that. I'm gonna click on more info and run anyway. And you can see we have our tool. Select, go to Tools, Driver, and make sure to select the correct one, whether you have the x64 or x86 on your computer. So yeah, just you need to first click on that, even if you think it's automatically selected. No, just click on that. Then after that, you may want to again restart the computer and restart the program once you have the driver, because clicking on that installed the driver pretty quickly. Now we should go to Erase FRP and click on Start. Now once our phone is off, press and hold on volume up and volume down, and while doing so, plug in the USB-C cable that is connected to your computer, and make sure that that cable supports data transfer. So if it doesn't work, probably there's a problem with your cable or a port on your computer. Make sure you're not using a hub, rather a port that's directly in your computer. And if you have a stationary PC, use the ports on the back, not on the front. So yeah, volume up and volume down, and while doing so, put the cable in. Now it says connected here, so we can release the volume up and volume down. Now it says process completed. Unplug the cable and turn the phone on by pressing and holding on the power button. Now I think we won't need anything here anymore, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. and I'll put you maybe on the full screen. We can see that it is loading. It will take a moment. Now let's keep connecting to mobile network. Let's wait a moment until it loads. As you saw earlier, it requires some patience, so just be patient and wait. Okay, and now we can see copy apps and data. Click on done copy and wait a moment longer. I'm not speeding up the video on purpose because I want to show you how long the process takes, that it's normal, that it takes a long time, and also that you can hold the phone watch the video at the same time while doing it. Now skip the Google account. You can sign in later, but later. Now I'm gonna skip it just to make sure. That's how we've tested it. That's how our team has been testing it for years, and we know that it always works. Now it's loading again. Okay, and now it asks me to choose my search engine, whatever, because we're gonna do something later that makes it not matter what we click on here. So let's keep the screen lock just to make the process as quick as we can and as least problematic as we can. Now we are in the home screen, and I'm gonna go to the settings just to show you that it's really this phone. If you need to trust me, then feel free to just see that when I go to about phone, it is the Android 13 Armor X12. Right, if I go here, it's the device name, so maybe let's find it somewhere else. Well, I don't know where to show you. It's the Armor X12. This is the serial number, the build number. If I go to the Android, you can see it's January 2025 security update. And now the last thing that you should do is go to System in Settings, Reset Options, and Erase All Data. Factory Reset, Erase All Data, and click on OK. I'm just gonna plug it into power so I can do it because I have 19% of my battery. But yeah, that's something that you should do, and not because it won't work otherwise, but because doing it will assure you that everything works correctly and that you don't have any anything left from the phone, like from the FRP bypass process, because there may be some programs running in the background that may be left, so it's best to just factory reset it so it works properly. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.